The balancing act. In the heart of a bustling city, Clara found herself at a crossroads. As a dedicated architect, her work consumed her days, leaving little time for anything else. She thrived in the chaos of deadlines and client meetings, yet a gnawing feeling of discontent lingered beneath the surface. Her friends often teased her about being married to her job, but Clara knew that the real marriage was between her ambitions and the life she had put on hold. One rainy afternoon, while reviewing blueprints in her office, she received an unexpected call from her younger brother, Leo. He was visiting from a distant town and wanted to see her. Torn between the allure of her work and the desire to reconnect with family, Clara hesitated. Yet something deep within urged her to take a break. She agreed to meet Leo at their favorite cafe. As she stepped outside, the rain had softened into a gentle drizzle, and the city felt alive in a different way. Over steaming mugs of coffee, they reminisced about childhood adventures, laughter spilling over their shared memories. Clara felt the weight of her work begin to lift, replaced by a sense of warmth and belonging. In that moment, Clara realized that work was merely one facet of her life. The true essence lay in the connections she nurtured. Inspired, she resolved to carve out time for both her career and her loved ones. After all, a well-balanced life was the most rewarding project of all.